Welcome to Fluent English with M I Shah. Today I am going to teach you present perfect continuous tense. What is present perfect continuous tense? It is used to describe actions that started in the past and are still continuing. Example, I have been studying for 2 hours. Structure. Number 1, affirmative. Subject plus has been or have been plus verb plus ing. Examples: she has been working since morning. We have been waiting for the bus. Number 2, negative. Subject plus has not been or have not been plus verb plus ing. Examples: he has not been sleeping well. They have not been coming lately. Number 3. Interrogative. Has or have plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing. Examples: have you been reading the book? Has he been calling you? Uses. To show the duration of an action that began in the past and continues now. To talk about repeated or continuous actions. Examples: I have been watching this show for weeks. She has been talking on the phone for an hour. Speaking practice. I have been learning English since January. Have you been working today? He has not been feeling well lately. Great job. That was the present perfect continuous tense. Stay with me for class 14, where we will learn past indefinite tense. So like, share and subscribe to Fluent English with M I Shah. Keep practicing, keep improving. Thank you very much.